Okay guys, let's talk about how to make this power option, not power option, it's a power button and restart button and hibernate button on the desktop. Exactly, we wanna run this project. Okay, we wanna make this project, this power button and restart, shutdown, hibernate. Okay, how to make this one? Let's see. Let's see together. Yes, right. Open registry. Okay, inside this registry we will make the main one. This project divided to, first is a main button. This is the main button, so this is the sub button or the branches, the other buttons. So this main, we will make this one, then we will make this 3, right? Okay, like this. So HKey class root, okay, the same location before, no problem for directory. So we want to change this one for today, maybe desktop background. I think let's make it changes. Okay, no problem. If we add this one to directory, no problem, but we have to it's better to change. It's better to change if it's good, because directory background, I think it's will be full of icons and full of commands. So I think we use it for many times. Okay, so let's change for today. It will succeed also, so no problem. Okay, shell under the desktop background. First I have HKey classes root, then desktop background. This is desktop background. Under the shell we will make the key, we'll call it, or we will name it new key, we'll name it power. Okay, in this case we will not make a button. It will not be a button, it will be a menu, right? So we will not make command new key and we will name it command like before. No, because this button will be, this power will be like this sub menu. How to make it a sub menu? Just right click here and make a string, new string, just name it with sub commands. Sub commands means another branches of commands, so this power becomes now as a commands. Okay, so we want to give this power an icon. Okay, so how to make it okay, now for icon for this one, I made this one before, so this is from my CD. So especially here, this power, I will give this power this icon. What's the icon code? Is shell 32.dll27, right? This is for power. Okay, right click here at the button, new string, I name it icon. In this icon I'll write the same shell 32.dll, comma 27. Okay, this is the code. This is the code for the icon for this shutdown. Okay, so where is the other one? Where is the other keys for this one? Let's export this one first, then to be able to access it later, just right click, export this button in the desktop, and let's say call it power. No, I forget something. See, this power is it's down, it's in the bottom of the menu, right? This button power is the last of the menu, or the bottom of the menu, bottom, right? How can we make this power button to be at the bottom side? So just right click, make a new string, just name it position. Okay, just to put double click in this position, I'll write bottom. Okay, bottom at the bottom. Okay, right click, now the power becomes at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and where is the sub commands? Let's export this button now, this power button. Okay, let's export it outside to the desktop first, we will use it later. We will name it power. Okay, power. Let's save it on the desktop. Power, inside power, no, I'll call it I name power 1, no problem. Okay, now the name is power 1. This is the main button. You see, this is the main button we made now. HK class root like this. So under this one I'll make separate with line. Okay, just keep it like this. Just go to make this 3 buttons. Okay, I forgot maybe because I didn't sleep, so no problem. In this power, this sub commands I made in the front of you, these sub commands. What is this? What I will write in this sub commands? I will make 3 buttons, but in another location, on another location inside the registry. But now we have to make it. We have to name it first before doing this one. So we will make, for example, we want to make like this button: restart and shut down and hibernate. I'll name it R. I'll name it S. I'll give the name H. R, S, and H. These 3 buttons we will make it now. Okay, but in another location, not in the same location here. We will make it later at another location. Okay, this is sub commands. What buttons we will make? Like I told you before, R and S and R, S and H. Okay, R, S, H. We will make it like this: R semicolon separate S semicolon H, R, S, H. Okay, this is 3 buttons included inside this button. Okay, so sorry, we will remove it now. We will try to export it again. Okay, export. I name it power. Okay, power 1. Okay, now export it to the desktop. So let's go to another location. Another location I told you before about it. So HK local machine under software. What about software? Microsoft. What inside Microsoft is Windows. So we will go to Windows here. What's inside Windows? Current version. What's inside current version? Explorer. Like this. Gradually. Okay, Explorer. What's inside Explorer? Command store. See, command store. Inside this command store, under shell, we will make the buttons we said before. So the first button, we will make it new key. I'll name it R. Okay, see, let's go up again. Let's make the other one. Right click, new key. The name is S. This is for shutdown. R for start, S for shutdown. So the third one will be H for hibernate. New key, make it H. Okay, for this R and S and H, just right click for R to make new key under this one, to name it command, like we learned before. Command. Okay, under S we will make another key, also we will name it command. Okay, under the third key we will make the key under the third key H. I'll name it command. Okay, this is this R we made now. Let's go inside R. Okay, this is R, this is H, this is R. Beside R at the right side we'll give icon to this R. This restart. Okay, just make a new value, you name it icon. This icon. Okay, we will go and make it. What is this icon for this restart? Let's check these icons I made in this my CD. Let's check the icon for restart. Maybe here. Up. Let's go up. I don't know where is it, but we will find it later. We will find it. This is for restart. Okay, I suppose this button to express restart. Okay, so shell 32.dll238. okay, this is for our button restart. So let's put it inside this restart key inside the registry. So right click here, shell 32, so 238. So shell 32.dll, comma 238. Okay, this is the button for restart. 238. Okay, shell 32.dll. Okay, let's see the icon for shutdown. Okay, right click, make icon. I'll call it icon. Okay, inside this icon I'll write shell 32.dll, shell 32, comma 27. Okay, this is the icon for the shutdown. So if we go down, we'll find it, or go up like this. So the icon for shutdown will be here. See, 27, right? So this is the icon for the button shutdown. For the hibernate, right click and make it right string icon. Will give the icon for the hibernate. So I suppose to give the hibernate icon to be like this, the blue one, this one. Okay, I suppose to make this one for hibernate because it's the same like shutdown. Because it's the same like shutdown exactly, but we'll keep the state, the last state for your work. It will be the same. It will be as it is. Okay, so shell 32.dll will be the icon for the hibernate button. Okay, so double click, right click here. So shell 32.dll, comma, and 112. This is the icon for this three buttons. Now right click on the desktop, power button. See, this is R, this is S, this is H. Okay, let's give the name for R at the right side here, like this. The right side of the R, I write restart. Okay, at the right side of the S, I write shutdown. You can also write turn off, as you like. Okay, the third one is, we'll put the name at the right side, hibernate. Okay, this is for hibernate. Okay, now the three buttons for power, restart, shutdown, and hibernate. Right now, but it's not working because I didn't put any command inside this restart. So let's put the command now inside. What's the command for restart? Like we said before, shutdown dash R dash T 00 time, and R means restart. Okay, let's make the command for shutdown. Let's go to the default shutdown dash S dash T 00. Okay, shutdown dash S, it should be space here. Okay, this is shutdown for shutdown command. But what is the command for hibernate? Just make the same, shutdown dash H. Okay, only dash H without time because it will close directly. Okay, so this is the three commands now available. But if we apply any of these keys, the video will be cut and we will lose what we are recording now. So it's a very big mistake we will make. Okay, that's why we export before for the main power button. So we will export to this one, export this R. Okay, and save it to the desktop. We will export this one as S for shutdown. Okay, the third one we will export this one also, export H. Okay, this is what I want to say. Let's merge all of these four buttons in one button. Okay, to express the power script, to combination of the four buttons. This is for the main power button. Okay, so we'll make it, just make separation like this. So the second one R, I'll go inside, I'll copy all of these lines, Control X, okay, to remove it later. Okay, just put it like this. Then put line to separate the functions for all these buttons. Let's go to shutdown. Let's copy this 3 lines. Control X. I think it's you understand now what I mean exactly, to make it all in one file script to add it to registry. That's why I'm trying to merge all of these codes inside only one file. Control X, okay, so I'll put it here. Control V. Now finished. This is the last command. See, I arrange one by one to be easy to understand. Okay, so this is for power. So these 3 buttons, no need now. Grout. Okay, this is for power. Just edit this power. You will find it's the same like we open now. Okay, this is 3 button. Let's start. Let's make it like this. Okay, this is our button. This is the button for all these icons created. So the first one is for the main button on the desktop. This one, right click this power. The code for the first button is this one. We made sub commands and we put this three sub commands R, S, H. This is R. Let's extend it a little bit, right? Okay. This is R, and this is the command of R. This is S, and this is the command of S. This is H. This is the command of H. This is the same exactly. This is the details for this script, registry script. Okay, it's always like this. Okay, the button name, and this is a command under button. Button name and the command, button name and the command, and this is the main button, no command because this is sub menu, because this is sub commands menu, right? We only make icon for this button, and we also choose the position. Also, I wanna give you some more tips for this one. We can make separation here. Okay, if we go to inside the registry, inside the same location before, we put this one, we finished when they exported, so no need now. So the main location is from the first one. So we'll go to the desktop background. Maybe mistakes happened, but no problem. DES, it will go directly to shell inside this power. Okay, inside this one we want to make this power some separation, like this line. See this line, very small line, and like this. So we want to make separation. So right click downward, okay, digital word like this. We will call it separator before echo before. Okay, separator before. So right click now, you will see separator created now. See this separator, very small separator. Okay, so if we remove this one, if you observe this line, see this line, it was not found before. Let's remove this one to see the different now. See, no lines, it's stuck to this command directly, personalize. But if we make separator, we'll make separator here, new downward, separator before means before the command we made. So right click, you'll see the separator to be arranged icon like this, arranged menu. So now we exported everything. So if we wanna make it okay for this button, we can export it again. For example, P, I'll call it P, save, and the desktop. I'll open inside to take the separator this one. I'll take cut. Okay, I'll put it inside the main. I'll put it inside the main one like this, position under position directly. So I'll add it here, Control V. So now it's okay for this one to to make it good for us, good view. So if you make a separation between power and the other, so it's a good option. So if we apply now this one no need, finished. Now we want to make script just to remove all of these things inside this from our system. Okay, so we have to remove all instructions inside this script, register script, right? So we have to make it right new from new command script like we did before. Exactly, this is power and this is power delete. Okay, like this, delete. Inside this one we will write here del reg delete hkcr. Then we will wait until we copy the line from here. Okay, hkcr, then I'll copy from here up to the power. Okay, up to the power like this, copy. Then I'll go down to paste it here exactly, and I'll add /f. Okay, this is for the main power button, okay, on the desktop, but the other keys is like this. So we'll make the same in the file, reg delete, exactly, reg delete hk local machine lm, hklm. Okay, and we will copy the other buttons from here. So hk local machine, hklm, finished. So up to here r. Okay, and make it copy, make copy and paste it here. Okay, and we will add space /f to apply this command forced. Okay, so I'll copy all of this line again, copy, I'll paste it down, I'll remove this one, this r, I'll make it s. Okay, the same line I will copy again down, I'll paste it again here, r, s, and the missing is h. So s, r, h, and the main button was power. Okay, so this script will remove all the effects inside the system, so completely, it will completely remove from the system, right? So let's take now right click as run as administrator. Okay, then yes. So the button and all other buttons removed from the system. So I told you before, if I apply this script, I'll make like this, send to, compress the file. So this is power, this is power script. Okay, this power script now it's available now, but if we apply this one in the machine, this video will be cut. So that's why I'll open the other one. So I'll stop the machine, I'll run the other machine, Windows 7, it will run. I'll run it now. So until it will restart, I'll pause the video. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now the system is opened. Okay, this is Windows 7. Okay, let's apply the script we made inside this system. Okay, so let's go inside like this. So let's check now system without power. Okay, I'll add this script to this machine. Yes, now add it. Okay, if I make like this, now restart, it will make restart. See, it's succeeded. So I'll pause the video until this one make restart. Okay, so no problem. Okay, now we restarted the system. Now we have to apply the other one, shutting down. Okay, so I'll pause the video until this one make shutdown. Okay. Yes, now the system is opened. Yes, and let's do something like this. So Now the system is opened. Okay, let's start this one. Finished. No problem for that. So we have to apply the buttons. Now power, hibernate is remaining. Let's make it like this. If not working like this, hibernate. Okay, we have to put some order, some command, right click, new command prompt, and make it like this, run as administrator. So the power, just write like this, power cfg, okay, /h, then on, make it on, on, okay. Windows will make you, now it's okay, right? So the hibernate now working very well, and right click, power, hibernate. Now it will go shut down, and the hibernate state. Maybe if you open Microsoft Word or like any programs like this, it will be resume to the same what you ended your work. You will see the same at the last state exactly. If you open Microsoft Word, you will find it opened. If you open one song, it will continue. This whatever you did before making this hibernate, you will go the last state. Okay, the last state you left the computer, your computer, you will find it as it is, as it was exactly. Okay, no changes. Okay, even if you open any program, right? When you shut down your Windows in hibernate, so hibernate will keep everything as it is. Okay, so power on again this machine, so it will go inside, resuming Windows, so it will go to the desktop, so it's full shutdown. But now it will go inside the system, resume to the system, so it will take time. So when it finished, I'll pause this video now until this one to finish logging in to the window. Okay, to the Windows. So I will pause the video now. When finished, I'll resume this video. Okay, now the system opened, so no problem. Okay, this is virtual machine. Some mistakes happened because he cannot resume opening Windows because this is VMware. Okay, not like a physical computer, right? That's why some problem happened because of this hibernate. Because this hibernate will keep all Windows state in the location in the hard disk, in some area in the hard disk drive. So VMware cannot make like this. Okay, because this is VMware. It's no other partition inside this one. If you open this hardware, it's only partition C. But the hibernate state make the same, take all inside the random access memory now and save it in another partition. But it's only one partition here, so this that's why Windows cannot resume. Okay, couldn't resume to come from the resume from the hibernate state. Okay, hibernate exactly like shutdown and turn off computer exactly. But if we, for example, if you open this one like this, okay, and you close your computer by hibernate, when you resume, when you turn on your computer again, it will become like this screen exactly. You will find this file opened like you left the state you left it. Okay, exactly the last state is like this. You will find it if you open the register like this. Okay, and you leave it open and leave it like this, so you want to sleep. That's why you will make this hibernate, so to keep your work exactly the same, to resume, to continue after sleeping, after getting up. So you will open your computer, you will find the last state exactly like this. So this is the very big benefits about this hibernate if you activate this one. I told you how to activate. If not activated, new shortcut and CMD like this, CMD. Okay, I told you before, but this is for to be sure about what to do. Right click, run as administrator. So power CFG, space /h, make it, now it's on. I will make it off. Okay, but if you find this hibernate now, it will not work. See, not working. Okay, so because I close the ability, the default is not activated. The default for any system is not activated. So how to activate it? By this command. This command will be like power cfg /h, then space, put on, enter. Now activated. If I make like this, see, I leave the windows like this. This open, command prompt open, this register open, and this text file open. If I make hibernate now, put hibernate, now computer will close, leaving everything like the same as it was. You know, this is the big benefits for this Windows 7. If I resume now, it will not continue because this is VMware and too much problems are coming, because resuming now, but it will not complete. It will make only one dash here. It will be freeze, keep freezing like this without continue, because this is VMware. Okay, like I told you, it can saving the last state at the second partition or the other partition, so it's only one partition available in this VMware. That's why this Windows cannot resume. So if I make restart now for this VMware, restart the guest, he will ask me to continue, resume, or delete all the restoration and open like a new machine. He will lose. Means I will lose the data, the last data. See, I will tell him delete restoration data, the data I left before, the last state I left, so it will be deleted. So I'll continue like this. So the Windows will start normally, discarding all the last changes made in this system. So I think it's a very good video. So you get very big benefits for this. So this power script will be available under this video, so you will be able to understand, to download it anytime. So no problem to apply this one in your system, any system. So it's very good, very good, this to add this one, especially in Windows 8 Pro. So now we reached to the end of this video. So thanks for watching and goodbye.